In this demonstration, we will showcase how UiPath Autopilot, combined with BOPI commands, enables the creation of a purchase order, PO, in SAP within just 10 seconds. By leveraging AI-driven processing and predefined business rules, the system can efficiently structure data and generate POs with minimal user input. The process begins with retrieving a list of recent purchase orders from SAP using Autopilot. The system intelligently recommends a relevant process, which, once executed, displays the last 10 to 20 POs. Next, we will request specific details about a particular order, for example, PO 450-000-1063. Autopilot will identify the appropriate process, pre-fill the necessary parameters based on the request, and present a structured view of all order details. Now, let's demonstrate the true power of AI-driven automation. We will instruct Autopilot with a simple command to create a new PO based on the last displayed order, applying the following modifications. Remove item TG12. Update TG13 to a quantity of 5. Add 3 units of TG10 at a net price of $5 each. Upon executing this command, Autopilot will analyze the input, retrieve relevant data from the last displayed order, and intelligently construct the necessary parameters to trigger the Add PO function in SAP. Within 10 seconds, the new PO will be successfully created in SAP, while Autopilot continues processing and formatting the data for seamless user interaction. By verifying directly in SAP, we can confirm that TG12 has been removed. TG13 has been updated to 5 units. TG10 has been added with 3 units at $5 each. This demonstration highlights the efficiency and intelligence of UiPath Autopilot. With just a simple text command, AI-powered automation seamlessly integrates with SAP BOPI, transforming unstructured input into actionable business transactions in under 10 seconds.